most people think that their iPhone, their Apple products are very, very secure, and they are like, it doesn't collect any information. Now let's find out today. So get your iPhone out, get it right now. You can pause the video. Okay, get your iPhone out, okay, turn it on, okay, and then go on settings, okay. Once you go on settings, go to privacy, and then click on location services, okay, and then scroll all the way down. Keep going, okay, till you see your last application. For me, it's Zillow, okay, the home finding app, okay, and you wonder, why is there a settings like all the way up here hidden, okay? Why is it here? That's my first question, okay? Click on system services, okay? Now you see all these other stuff. Now scroll all the way down and find significant locations. Click on it, okay? And once you click on it, you're gonna find something crazy. Your iPhone there knows exactly where you were last night when you didn't tell your parents or when you didn't tell your significant other. It knows where you were, okay? It knows where you were a year from. It knows everywhere you went. It knows the time, exact location of the places that you have been to, driven in, all of that, okay? It's all here. You see it for yourself. Now, first thing is clear history. Do that right now, just in case tomorrow, a cop catches you and says, hey, where were you last night? You're like, oh, I was at home. Let me see your phone. Ah, you were not there. You were at McDonald's eating McBurger, McNuggets, okay? Clear the history right now and turn this thing off right now. Now, that was just an example. That was the easiest example I wanted to show you, that Apple's not that secure and private as it claims to be. It's tracking your every movement, okay? Whenever you buy, because Apple, it's all about the ecosystem, right? Because they want you to buy their iWatch. Okay, by the way, I think that's just ruining people's life. That's a different story, okay? They want you to buy their iWatch. They want you to buy your MacBook, your iPhone. Everything is that ecosystem. Now, there's nothing wrong with it, okay? I love Apple products, but they need to be upfront about what they are actually doing, because they are collecting all this information, okay? You use Safari, right, on your iPhone? It knows what you're having, what problems you're having. You downloaded that app last night about, sleep problems. It knows you have sleep problem. You downloaded some app for like XYZ. It knows what you like and what you don't like. Now, a couple months back, I think 2021, Apple actually blamed Facebook for collecting too much information and using it to serve ad. Now, let me backtrack for a second. So, Facebook makes money by, letting people like me, marketers, run advertisements. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and sell my shoes that I have produced, right? I can pretty much target, I used to be able to, right? Not these days. Now, I used to be able to target exactly who my ideal customer, their interests, their location, their income, what did they download like a week ago. I used to be able to target all of that and then run an ad. Now, most people think that's not good. But for small businesses like ours, it is what it is, because it helps us serve ad to the right kind of people. And that's exactly what happened with Facebook, because their revenue was down because Apple said no more. Okay.
Facebook coming out as a staunch critic and launching a campaign against the policy, saying it would crush small businesses that rely on targeted advertising to reach its customers.
You cannot collect people's information on iPhone using Facebook application. Now, people think, yes, Apple for privacy. Now, but I showed it to you that, Apple is actually collecting your information whenever you use Safari, okay? And it knows your location. It knows pretty much everything about it. Now, can you stop it? Yes, you can, okay? I showed it to you. You can go to settings. You can turn off all those things, okay? And whenever you go ahead, and if you're using MacBook, just like me, you can actually turn off all these things. But why is it making it so hard? Okay, all they did was added a VPN, settings on their iPhone, their devices, and said, hey, we're all about privacy. Is it really? Now, my question to Apple is, why not make it all one click? Now, Apple's famous. The reason I love Apple is because they made things so simple. Now, if they want to be the ambassador of privacy, why not make a button on settings that says turn it off, and that stops all the tracking? What do you guys think about that? comment below. I want to know what you guys think, okay? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel so, you get more videos just like this. Thank you for watching again.